What's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna show you 3 free mints NFT that has huge potential, and at the end I'm gonna show you why. But before I'm gonna show you the projects, I'm gonna ask you a favor. If you can follow me on my Twitter, I would really appreciate that. So the first project, it's called KumaBoss. So KumaBoss, it's free mint, and at the time of recording this video they have 162,000 followers on their Twitter. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this Twitter post was posted 8 hours ago, and it's not even a giveaway, and it's getting quite a bit of interaction. And if we scroll down more, we can see some of their partners, Aplist, and then another partners, Bad Dog Club. As you can see, this one was only 60-minute raffle, and they got 2,000 likes, 1,700 retweets, and 1,600 comments. And then if we scroll down more, again, as you can see, they're getting a lot of interaction. So if you can get yourself whitelist for this free mint, I think this project is gonna do well, at least in the beginning, if you're looking to flip and make a little bit of profit. And then the second 2 projects that I'm gonna show you, I think they have a huge potential, and at the end I'm gonna show you why I think that way. So the second project, it's called the Turks. So it's a free mint, and as you can see, if we scroll down, this post was made 22 hours ago, and it already has 6,000 likes, 6,000 retweets, and 1,400 comments. To get yourself for free mint, what you need to do, just like, retweet, comment, and then fill out this form. If we press on it, the new window is gonna appear. I'm not gonna sign in, but it's basically gonna ask you for your full Discord name, your Twitter account, because they're probably gonna verify if you like their post and if you're following them on Twitter, and then your Ethereum address. So if we go back here, mint date is not announced, but I think they're gonna be minting in a week or so. So you still have a little bit of time to get yourself a free mint whitelist spot for this project. And then last project, the third one, is the Jews. So it's very similar to the one that I showed you, the Turks, but it's just the Jews. This one is going to be minting on the 17th. And as you can see right here, this post was made on July 9th, has already almost 8,000 likes, almost 8,000 retweets, and 1,700 comments. And same thing, they have a form. If we open it up, it's just gonna require full Discord handle, Twitter link, and then your Ethereum address. And I guess it's gonna be exactly for the same reason. They're gonna be checking if you like, you retweet, and I'm not sure if they're gonna be checking for comments or not. And then if we scroll down again, as you can see, they're getting decent interactions on the other posts as well. And the reason why I think especially the last 2 free mints gonna do very well, it's because of this Saudi's NFTs. So this was also free mint NFT, sold out very quickly, and few days when I saw this Twitter account, they only had, I think, less than 10,000 followers, and 2 days later, 3 days later, they already have over 100,000 followers. And if we're gonna open up their collection on OpenSea, you can see right now, when hype it's already slowed down, their floor price is still 0.82. Right when they're sell out, I think after a little bit of time, I think the highest floor I've seen, it was like 1.5 or even 1 Ethereum. So this free mint was definitely a gem, and in my opinion, this Jews and Turks also has the same opportunity, but we're not sure. We're just gonna have to wait and see, and hopefully we can get ourselves whitelist spot. And every project that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And once again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.